Hello, hello! Welcome to Rompin' Rhyme. It's time to say the hello rhyme. Are you ready? Raise your hands up. Let's see them. Okay, up and down and turn around. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Wiggle your fingers and wiggle your nose. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wave your hands and say hello. Hello, everybody, and welcome to our Fox story time.
Hi, Miss Jen. What are you doing? And what's that in your hands?
Oh, hi! I'm just bird watching. It's spring outside, so now all of the birds have come back out to play. There are so many beautiful birds around the neighborhood, have you noticed? And these binoculars sure help me see them up close.
Oh, Mr. Magoo and I love looking for birds, don't we, Mr. Magoo? I'm not talking to you, Duncan. You stole my food from outside. Oh, Mr. Magoo, you know I wouldn't do that to you. We're best friends. But that gives me an idea. Miss Jen, can you use your binoculars to see if there's any other animals around that might have taken the food?
Oh my goodness! I see a little foxhole right beside the library. And the fox inside. Oh my goodness, you have to see this. There are little baby foxes right in the hole and the mother is feeding them. I bet that's what happened to our food. Mr. Magoo, I think you owe Duncan an apology.
Miss Jen, you're absolutely right. Duncan, I am so sorry. But at least the food went to a good cause. Those baby foxes are so cute. Apology accepted, Mr. Magoo. We should move on. Hey, Miss Jen, do you know any fox songs?
Okay, boys and girls, this is the fox song. Are you ready? Let's go. Fox has got a long orange tail, long orange tail, long orange tail. Fox has got a long orange tail. Shake that tail now. Everyone shake your tail. Shake, 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 shake. Good job. Fox has got a pointy nose, pointy nose, pointy nose. Fox has got a pointy nose. Wiggle that nose now. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Oh, those are some good wiggles. Ready for the next one? Fox has got two front paws, two front paws, two front paws. Fox has got two front paws. Clap those paws now. Clap your paws. Good job. Fox has got two pointy ears, pointy ears, pointy ears. Fox has got two pointy ears. Twitch those ears now. Twitch your ears. Twitch, twitch, twitch. Good job. Fox has got two bright eyes, two bright eyes, two bright eyes. Fox has got two bright eyes. Blink those eyes now. Blink your eyes. 1, 2. Good job. Here's the next one. This is gonna be our mouth, okay? So pretend this is your mouth. Fox has got two front teeth, two front teeth, two front teeth. Fox has got two front teeth. Bite those teeth now. Okay, so we're gonna bite our teeth now. Ready?
Miss Jen, I just noticed something. I have a bushy tail just like a fox. Oh, you do, Duncan. That's funny. Hey, Miss Jen, do you think we could read a story about a fox now?
Sure, but first, let's get our wiggles out.
Okay, it's time for open them, shut them. Are you ready? Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Give a little clap, clap. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them, crawl them, creep them, crawl them. Right down to your chin, chin, chin. Open up your little mouth. Open up, ah! But don't let them in. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them just like this, this. Roll them low and roll them high and blow a little kiss. Mwah!
Good Night, Sleepyville by Blake Lillian Hellman and illustrated by Stephen Henry. Read with permission from Bloomsbury Children's Books. And look at Mama Fox walking her little foxes down Sleepyville Lane. They're all dressed up in their coats and boots. In Sleepyville, the sun is setting and everyone's done for the day. Sweeping, shutting, strutting. Look at everybody's little animal homes. Simple homes, dome homes, and teensy weensy homes. And big fancy homes. Hang up your hat, slip off your shoes, and wash your paws for supper. Then after the dishes are done, it's time for milk and cookies. Yum! Put on your favorite pajamas, stripes, plaid, or polka dots. Brushing is fun. Now you're almost done. Let's snuggle, wiggle, and cuddle. In Sleepyville, down goes the sun and up comes the moon. Isn't it pretty? Though some are tucked in snug as a bug, others need a lullaby and maybe a bedtime story. Look at all of the bunnies reading their bedtime story. Some drift, some curl, some sink into dreams. Look what he's dreaming about. Candyland! And if you look up, you can see the stars twinkling in the sky. Isn't it beautiful? Good night, Sleepyville. All the lights go out, except one. I wonder whose light that is. Ah, it's the fox, and he's reading his story. And that's the end of our story.
Thanks for reading us a story, Miss Jen. I sure loved seeing all of the different animal homes in the story. That was really neat. I sure loved seeing all the different animal homes too. Miss Jen, I have an idea. Let's make a fox craft and then we can show it to the baby foxes.
Hello and welcome to another edition of Duncan's Craft Corner. Today we're going to make a cute little fox out of a paper plate. Are you ready? Let's go! Okay, the first thing you're going to do is color half of your paper plate orange. You can use either an orange marker or orange paint, depending on how long you want it to take. Once you're finished coloring, you're going to fold over the edges to make a triangle shape at the bottom. Make sure to fold nice and neatly, and then you can color in any of the spots that you missed before. Great! Now we're going to glue both of our sides down, making that triangle shape, and then we're going to put some glue on and add one eye and the second eye and glue on the nose. Turn it around and you have yourself a great fox. Ta-da!
Miss Jen, I just checked and the foxes are all sleeping right now. Maybe we can find some different animals while we wait.
If I take a look through these, I can see them really close up. All right, so we're gonna find some animals. Ready? A-hunting we will go, a-hunting we will go. Find a fox. Whoop, I found a fox. And we'll put him in a... Okay, so now we have to figure out what rhymes with fox. So what sounds like fox? Does boat sound like fox?
No, they don't sound the same.
How about chair? No. Chair and fox don't sound the same. How about house? Does fox and house sound the same?
Nope. I guess we're going to have to try something else.
How about log? Does fox and log sound the same? Nope. What about box? That's right, fox and box. Okay, so here we go. A-hunting we will go, a-hunting we will go. We'll find a fox and put him in a box, and then we'll let him go. All right, so our next one, what do we find? I spy with my little eye something that is green. Something green, what could it be? It goes ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. A frog, that's right. So let's guess what frog sounds like. Does frog sound like boat? No. Does frog sound like house?
No, they don't sound the same.
No. Does frog sound like chair? Nope. Does frog sound like log? Aha! Frog does sound like log. Okay, ready? A-hunting we will go, a-hunting we will go. We'll find a frog and put him on a log, and then we'll let him go. All right, what's the next thing? Let's see. I spy with my little eye something that is very tiny, and he likes to squeak, and he's quiet, and the cats like to hunt him. What could he be? A mouse, that's right. Okay, does mouse rhyme with boat?
Nope. I guess we're going to have to try something else.
No. Does mouse sound like chair? No. Does mouse sound like house? Aha! Okay, so we have our words. A-hunting we will go, a-hunting we will go. We'll find a mouse and put him in a house, and then we'll let him go. Good job. Okay, I spy with my little eye something that rhymes with boat. And he goes, ah, 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 ah. What could it be? If you said goat, you're right. So let's do our thing. A-hunting we will go, a-hunting we will go. We'll find a goat and put him in a boat, and then we'll let him go. Good job. All right, the next thing I spy with my little eye, something that is really, really big, and he likes to eat berries, and he's been a guest on our Romp and Rhyme for quite a while, and he also is brown. What can he be? Aha, it's bear, that's right. Let's do it. A-hunting we will go, a-hunting we will go. We'll find a bear and we'll put him in a, what's left? Chair, that's right. We'll find a bear and we'll put him in a chair, and then we'll let him go.
It looks like we found all of our animals. Good job! And if you get a chance to wear some binoculars, check out how close things are when you put your eyes up to it. It's really neat.
Miss Jen, I just caught up with the foxes and I gave them our special craft and they just loved it. But all of that running around has made me so sleepy. I think it's time for the goodbye song. Mr. Magoo, would you like to start us off? Why, certainly, Duncan. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to our friends. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to our friends.
Oh, it's time to say goodbye. Wave your hands, don't be shy. Oh, it's time to say goodbye to our friends. Goodbye, everyone. Don't forget to pick up this week's Storytime craft kit, available at all 3 Brock Library locations. See you next week.